All protocols observed. His Excellency, the President, ladies and gentlemen, my first salutations and honor goes to our Almighty God. And also to thank my beloved husband, wherever he is, for the support spiritually and materially. God bless him. My church members, Kimbo Pepper Church, Pastor James Wasonga, God bless you so much. My old fans, wherever you are, God bless you, God bless you. I have nothing to say. God bless you. To clarify something, when I was doing this song of Sonko Wamasonko, I was looking myself as a child the way I came from, and was like, God, Mungu ndio Sonko Wamasonko. God bless you.
We are one.